How to play Bitmoji on Snapchat. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So first of all, you need to open up your Snapchat application on your device. Once you do that, you'll be able to see this interface once you are logged in. So in order to play your game, you need to first tap on your profile option in the left upper corner. And here are no any options for playing games. You have to further go to your settings option in the right upper corner. Further, here are no any settings for playing Snapchat games. So for that, you have to scroll down a little bit where you'll be able to see I need help option under support. Simply tap on that. And here you'll be able to see this interface. So in the search bar, you need to tap and search for games. You can tap on games and Snapchat option which is displayed over here. And here you can see in this version of Snapchat, games are no longer available. You have to go back to your home page and you need to go to your chat. In the beginning or the old version of Snapchat, if you tap on the chat box of any person, then at the right hand side there will be the rocket option from where you will be able to play games. But since it's the new version, you won't be able to see that rocket option, so you won't be able to play game. So if you want to play, then you have to install the oldest version. So for that, you have to go back and you have to open up your browser. Here I'm opening up Google Chrome. And after that, you can tap on the search bar and search for Snapchat old version APK. And once you search for that, you'll be able to see this interface. So you have to simply tap on this first option, which is Snapchat old versions or all versions. So here are the all version of Snapchat. So you can download it on your device, and once you do that, you can open up your account over there. And once you go for the chat option that I have showed previously, you'll be able to see the rocket option, and from over there you'll be able to play games. For downloading, you can simply tap on the app which you want to download. And here will be the option for download latest APK. You can simply tap on over there and it will be downloaded on your device and you'll be able to play the game. So this is how you play Bitmoji on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.